Hi everyone, welcome to Gluten-Free Cooking with Dad. This week I'm going to be making Yorkshire puddings. They only use 3 ingredients. In the Yorkshire pudding tray you want to add a good glug of oil in each one, and you then want to put this in the oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. You want it to be nice and hot. In a bowl you want to add 100 grams of cornflour and then crack in 2 eggs. You then want to whisk together You then want to add 100 ml of milk and then whisk as you pour it in. This will create the Yorkshire pudding batter. Next you want to add a good sprinkling of salt. And once added, just give it a good whisk again. Then you can pour your mixture back into the jug. And give it a little stir. When the oil has reached temperature after about 15 minutes, we want it to be nice and hot before we can add the pudding mixture to the tray. We want to add the mixture to each. We want to put it back into the oven for 20 minutes. There we go.